Hi everybody, in this video let us discuss about how to locate an element in a doubly linked list. So the input for this operation will be the list and then the element what we are trying to locate. So for example, if we are given a doubly linked list like this and we are trying to locate element 45, the code should return position 4, the place where it occurs. This is simply like what we are doing is like a linear search, right? We have to basically do initialize temp to the first node, and then we should have a counter also to keep track of the position, and then we have to check whether the element is equal to the data part of the node pointed by temp. If it is not equal, then we have to move temp to the next node and we have to increment the counter also till we move outside the list. So when temp is equal to null, I tell that we move outside the list. Till that, if you could not find the value, then you can understand that that value is not present, right? For example, if I am searching for 40 is not in this list, then that will happen, right? The pointer will move outside the list. In that case, I have to communicate failure, or when the list is empty also we have to communicate failure, and so on. So how will you communicate failure in this cases? We are trying to return the position of the element in the list, and all of us know that position cannot be negative. So let's use -1 for returning failure. The formal algorithm is, if the list is empty, then we have to communicate failure. Otherwise you declare a temporary pointer and integer counter, initialize both of them, and while temp is not equal to tail, right? Or even I will tell while temp is not null, you will move to the, now you will check whether data part of the node pointed by temp is equal to the element. In that case you will return counter, otherwise you will move temp to the next node and increment counter. And this is not required if you are going to move your loop till the last node, okay? Still it moves outside. If you are going to execute the body, then this step is not required. So let's try the implementation. So I have made the declaration of the function locate in the class with the element, and then I am going to write locate here. So let's have a temporary pointer, and we should have a integer counter, right? And if the list is empty, right, that's the first case is empty, right? If the list is empty, then in that case we have to communicate failure. So return just -1, that's enough. And here we have already done declaration. So let's initialize temp equal to head, and then we will tell counter equal to 1, right? And while temp not equal to null, let's go till that, okay? While temp not equal to null, so we will tell while temp not equal to null, we have to check if the data part of the node pointed by temp is equal to the element, okay? And yeah, this step is not required. So you can check if data part of the node pointed by temp, right? If temp data equal to element, then we'll be returning the counter, right? Otherwise you have to move the temp to the next node, and you should tell counter ++, yeah, okay? And this is the case when the value is not found in the list, you can return -1, okay? And in the main, what we are doing is we are calling locate function, and you can check if t equal to -1. In that case you can tell failure, right? Failed, you can simply tell fail. Otherwise element is at, okay? Element is at, we can have, okay? and we are not deleting, so I can comment these two lines. Let's compile the code and check it. Yeah, SMT was not declared. Maybe there is a typo. I have to give capital, I think. Let's check. Yeah, so it's not deletion, just location. So element is at 1, right? What I am searching for, let's look at the application. I have given 1, right? Let me change the elements and check. Let me tell 23 and 45. Element locate, let me tell 23. Compile and check. Yes, element is at 2, and let's give 45 and check it at 3, and let me give 450. Should, yeah, fail, right? Okay, so the code is working. I will share in the GitHub. Thank you.